Hey, I wanted to give you a quick pointer. We'll call this insider information for college students. When you are starting a class with a new instructor and you're not really sure what you should call that person, I want to give you a quick tip, and that is every instructor you have in any college class, it's appropriate to call them professor plus their last name. If you know that that professor actually has their doctorate, they've got a PhD, they've got an EDD, they've got a Doctor of Liberal Studies, they've got something that says doctor with their name, then it is appropriate to call them doctor plus last name. So for me, because I've already told you I have a PhD, you would say Dr. Bishop. Anytime that you email me, you tag a note into an assignment, anytime you call, if we have any conversation at all, it should be Dr. Bishop. We have two fantastic graduate assistants who will be helping with Prep Academy. They will be grading and reaching out to you. They are both in doctoral programs and are very close to being doctor. They're not quite there yet, so it's very appropriate for you to call them professor plus their last name. So anytime that you're interacting with them via email or phone call or Zoom, you should call them professor plus last name. So that's our little Professor 101 class, and I want you to feel confident when you are communicating with your professors, and the best way to start off on the right foot is to know what to call us.